Hey guys, Duran here, welcome back with another video, and in this video let's talk about the two ways in Flutter that you can install a Flutter package into your Flutter project. The first method is by using the Flutter command called flutter pub add along with the Flutter package name. And the second method is by copying the dependency into the pubspec.yaml file. That means the dependency with the version, right? Copying and pasting in the pubspec.yaml file under the dependencies and running the pubget command, and go to a dart file and select on get dependencies, and now you are right. Welcome to the demonstration of this video. So our first method is using the Flutter command called flutter pub add along with the Flutter package name. So let's go to the pub.dev website and search for a package called any package that you like. I will search for floating panel and go to the package, and here you have to go to the installing section. There you will have the Flutter command called flutter pub add along with the Flutter package name, right? So you can copy or you can manually type in the command line and run it. Then open your existing Android Studio project, go to the terminal. You can use VS Code also. Paste it and run it. Now the dependency have all the dependencies and the related dart files have installed, right? So you can go to the main.dart and import the related package. So the import statement is in the import section. Now in your dart code you can use the import dart file. So you can copy this and paste it in your import and code along with that, right? The second method is by copying the dependency with the version to the pubspec.yaml file and running the pubget command and getting the dependencies by going to the dart file, right? So let's do it. Go to the website again, pub.dev, search for a Flutter package. I will search for feather icons. Then here is the package that I wanted. Go to the installing section. Here you'll have the dependency with the version. Copy it, select it and copy it, and go to the Android Studio project again. Go to the pubspec.yaml file. There insert the dependency by pasting it, run the pubget command, go to the main.dart file. Then when you have changed the pubspec.yaml file, you will have to get the dependencies from the dart files that you are working from. So you have to select that and get the dependencies, and now you are done. So thank you guys for watching this video. Stay subscribed for more interesting videos like this, and goodbye.